I'm riding after a long time, boys. Look at these webs. This is a sign that I need to go back out and ride this thing. Oh. Sorry. Oh fuck. Okay. Why I'm filming this, I don't know. So basically, the bike is still after 5 years performing quite well. If you take in consideration that it was built in 2019, and since that it's everything the same. Basically the chain is the same, everything, all the bearings, everything. If I'm honest, it's riding like shit, but power is still there, you know. The power is still there, but the chain, it has like 1000 hours on it. It's not ideal, let me tell you that. Should be way better. But where should we? Okay, we can do here. I'm gonna do a launch for you guys. Let's see from here. Launch control. I'm gonna floor it. You will see. You know, the power, it's still there. You see the damage? Yeah. Someone is coming. I need to go from the evidence.